To remove and fill the solution tank, turn the power off and put the cleaner into the upright position. Press down on the handle and pull forward to remove the tank. Carry to the sink and turn the cap slightly counterclockwise to open. Fill the tank to the top fill line with hot tap water. Then, use the cap as a measuring cup to add 5 ounces of Hoover deep cleaning detergent. Use only approved Hoover cleaning detergent with this product. Replace the cap and put the solution tank back onto the cleaner, making sure it is properly aligned and locked into position. A misaligned solution tank may cause the cleaner to leak or operate improperly. To clean up spills, set the brush speed selector to the spill pickup setting and use drying strokes to pick up the spill. Be sure to reset the brush speed selector to the power scrub setting for cleaning carpets.
Hi Kathy, this is Felicia from Hoover Customer Care. I read your review on Hoover.com. Your steam VAX shouldn't have any trouble picking up the water. I have a few tips to get it working again. Okay, let's make sure your tanks are installed correctly. Tilt this tank in like this and pull up on the handle until it locks into place. Now, tilt the handle back and make sure your other tank is locked into place, like this. While you have it open, remove this lid and check this filter for debris. If there's anything in there, just rinse it out with warm water. You'll notice this square-shaped panel on the front of the tank right here. Slide it up as high as you can like this. Then give it a good tap to make sure it's locked into place. Put the lid back on and lift the handle back up. Your steam VAX should be good to go. I hope this helps.